it's me again, your teacher Marvy, your forever marvelous soulmates. Now, before I go over with my second educational video, mga ka-soulmates, I just want to say thank you very much once again for reaching 83 subscribers. So, kahit konti pa lang, nagpapasalamat ako because you guys are really awesome. I know guys that you are already ready to watch my second educational video, and this video will focus on one of the graded lessons that is requested by this person. Okay, thank you for requesting that, and I remember that is actually one of my favorite lessons when I was in high school because that's very simple and that's very easy to learn, and it is very helpful when you are not into a long solution like you will be dividing polynomials. So that's actually a shortcut of that. But before I go over with that, you should know these concepts, and you must master these concepts already. Number 1, you should know your integer rules. Meaning to say the rules, or you should know how to operate integers, like you should know how to add, subtract, multiply integers, because those concepts are included in our solution. The next thing that you need to do is to identify the degree of power, or the power of each terms in your given expression, because that's very important, because the first thing that you're going to do is to arrange your terms in descending order. Alright? And you should know to identify, or you must identify what is the missing power, because that still be included in your solution. So, I know you guys are ready. So, let's start learning with me.
Welcome to Soulmate Learning Channel, where you can study, learn, and have fun at the same time. A channel that helps, assists, and will make learning easy for you. If you are new here, kindly click the subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell for you to be updated all the time. You can also click the like button and comment down the lessons that you want to be discussed with me. If you'll find this video helpful, help me share this with your friends. I am your teacher Marvy, your forever marvelous soulmate.
Alright, so we will be discussing the synthetic division. This is actually the easiest way, or the shortcut way that they are doing, or most of the students are doing, in order for them to divide polynomials, just like the problem given here. You have, let's try this problem using the synthetic division. I'll be showing you how to divide it as fast as you can. So you have 4x cubed minus 2x squared plus 8x plus 4 divided by x minus 2. Usually when we divide this, it's like you are actually doing the long division in dividing whole numbers, just like this. You will be using like this. You will be putting 4x cubed minus 2x plus 8x plus 4 divided by x minus 2. This is actually intimidates most of the students, because for them that's hard. So we have another way of dividing without using this. We call it as the synthetic division. Now, how do we use synthetic division? Let's first take your divisor. That is your divisor. Now, we need to manipulate or operate your divisor. Like, you have x minus 2. We need to equate this into 0. So that is equal to 0. And we can use your addition property. We need to get rid of negative 2. So we add to both sides positive 2 in order for us to remove that. So x is equal to 2. So your x now is equal to 2. Other way, they term it like transposition. They will transpose negative 2 to the other side of the equation, that becomes positive 2, and then the answer is still 2. They use the term transpose or transposition, but we'll be using the addition property of equality here. Next, after finding for your x, for the value of your x, which is your divisor, we will be putting it in this way. And then, the things that must be divided must be the coefficient of each term. But you have to take a look at the power or the degree or the exponent if they are arranged in descending order. And as you can see based from this example, they are already arranged in descending order. You have 3, 2, 1, then 0. So what will be the next step will be for us to get all the coefficient of each term. That's 4, -2, 8, and 4. Now, we'll be performing the integer rule. It's the time that you need to apply your knowledge in integers or rules of integers. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is to bring this down. That's 4. And all the numbers at the bottom must be multiplied to your divisor. So, 4 times 2, answers will be placed under each given coefficient. Now, the next thing that you're going to do with these numbers in column will be added. So, -2 plus 8. So, in adding, if they have different signs, subtract them. 6. And carry the sign with the highest absolute value of your addends, which is your +8. So, 6. Going back to the process, multiply it by your divisor. So, 6 times 2, that's 12. Add them together. So, that's 20. 20 times 2 again, that's 40. Add, that's 44. Now, these are all your new coefficients for your quotient. So, we need to rewrite that. So, let's start with 4. 4x. Now, go back to the exponent, that's 3. You just have to subtract 1 from 3. So, 2. Next is +6. X again. Going back to the exponent, that's 2. So, subtract 1 from 2, that's 1, but there's no need for you to write 1 there. And then plus 20. Let's check if we still need to put variable there. So, that is x minus 1, that's 0. So, let's remove the variable already. And you still have 44 there. This 44 will be the numerator of your divisor x minus 2. This means that 44 over x minus 2 is your remainder. There will be a remainder of your answer. So your final answer will be 4x squared plus 6x plus 20 plus 44 over x minus 2. That's how do you do the synthetic division.